Alright, so I have this PCIe Wi-Fi card, and I heard it's the best Wi-Fi card money can get, really. But also in a little bit of a range. It's a reasonable price. So we're gonna install it and see, does our speed improve. So first things first, I'm gonna show you guys what you get in the box. I took everything out. Well, most of everything out. This came in a non-static bag or whatever you call it, but I had already opened everything. So yeah, that's what the opening looks like. And then we have a CD. I'm not gonna use that, don't care for it. And I have this as well. So, and then we also have some cables. I'm gonna go through it all. We have the PC here. First things first, man, we're gonna open this up. I'm guessing this goes to the outside, and you put this stuff on top of your PC, these antennas on top of your PC. Go ahead and throw this over there. And then this is what you use to, I assume this is how you put it on. I'm just gonna free ball it, not gonna lie. Yep, that's exactly how you do it. And it goes like that. Next thing is opening this up. Let's see. Quick installation guide. We're definitely gonna keep that. European Union regulatory notices. We don't care about that. And we don't care. The next thing we have in the bag is this screw. Now I need to go find a screwdriver and get the ball rolling. For those who want to see, we have the CD here, and from MSI. Oh, okay. So I got a screwdriver. I don't really feel like moving my PC, but just for the video, I'll do it for you guys. Yeah. This PC has not moved in years. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful PC. I have not cleaned this, I never cleaned this PC. I'm removing the screw, one of those screws, to let the slot be used. So, if you look real close, you see the two bottom ones? That's where I'm installing it. One tip I would have when installing this is do not connect it to the motherboard before putting on the cable. See that one right there with the 4, no, the 5 at the top and the 4 at the bottom? You see? And it's magnetic. Yo, this is magnetic. So you can put it on the top and it'll stay here. I can literally tap it, it's not going anywhere. I can put it on the side of my case. It's not going anywhere. It's magnetic. That's really cool. And if you guys want to know how much I got this for, it was around, I don't even know. I'll tell you guys. I'll put it on the screen how much it was. Yep, I'm gonna screw it in like this. We now have to power on the system and install everything. My mic wasn't plugged in when I turned my PC back on and plugged in everything, but basically what I did, I looked up MSI Herald Wi-Fi card, went to the website and downloaded both drivers for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You want to extract both zip files, and then you want to run the application. Whatever files has the application next to it, you want to run that, and it will download all the drivers for you and do everything that is needed. Next thing I did was did a Wi-Fi test with the Ethernet cord I already had plugged into my PC. And then I'll show you guys the speed test with the Wi-Fi card. It's working great. The speeds are great. The Bluetooth sounds great. There's no issues. And the setup was pretty easy. And this is a very great experience for me. I've seen a lot of bad reviews on Wi-Fi cards, but this one I had no issues with. It was great. I would say this is a 9.8 experience, 9.8 out of 10 experience. The only issue was, it's pretty straightforward. The only thing is maybe the instructions could have been a little bit better with, but it's pretty easy to figure out. Sometimes the manual can be wrong or confusing with some things, but this is pretty simple. You should be able to figure it out. And yeah, let's go.